Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is Tyler.
We'd like to show you the Flip Belt, which is a really cool way to carry your stuff when you're exercising, on the go, or anytime you need to be hands-free.
And it's really easy to access your essentials while wearing the Flip Belt, like your phone, keys, credit card, or whatever you need to have with you. It's one big tubular pocket that goes all the way around your waist with multiple openings, and it also has a reflective logo. The internal key hook allows you to clip on your keys or even a wedding band on the inside of the belt for extra security.
Flip Belt comes in multiple sizes and colors, and people genuinely love the Flip Belt.
In fact, it's been the #1 seller on Amazon in both the running and sports and outdoors categories. People love it because it is so comfortable, and there's no bouncing or shaping while wearing it. It's made from the highest quality activewear fabric available.
Flip Belt is sold in stores around the world, so if you'd like to try one on, visit flipbelt.com today.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.